$10 in my account. And 1 week to turn it into $1,000? Sounds insane? I know. You've seen the thumbnails, you've heard the hype, but I wanted to find out, is it even remotely possible? So I tried it. No demo account, no back-tested BS. This is real money, real risk, and a real 7-day roller coaster in the wildest casino on earth. The crypto market. I gave myself one rule. Flip $10 into $1,000 in 7 days, or crash and burn trying. And let me tell you, I came out of this week with my brain fried, my emotions wrecked, and my jaw on the floor. Because what happened over those 7 days, the volatility, the whales, the pumps, the heart-pounding decisions, was straight up madness. Day 1, I loaded up Binance. Why Binance? Because I needed high-volume pairs, tiny fees, and instant executions. Every penny mattered. I wasn't trading BTC or ETH. Nah, not with $10. I went hunting for low cap, high volatility altcoins. It's the kind that can 5x on a rumor and rug just as fast. That's a 50% gain. From nothing, I felt like a genius. But here's the real kicker. By the end of day 2, I had already tripled the account. Wild, right? Except that's when reality hit. I'd jump into coins with volume spikes, right at 10 to 30% move, then rotate into USDT. It didn't care that the market was correcting. It had its own catalyst. A big-name VC rumored to be backing the project. Volume exploded. I got in early. That single coin pumped 3x in ours. My account, $780. I couldn't believe it. Momentum was everything. Volume was my compass. Some trades were instant losses. Others, rockets. $780 in the account? Goal, $1,000. I was tired, stressed, over-caffeinated. I saw one more setup. Same alt pumping again. But this time I waited. I watched for the first dip. And when it bounced, I went all in. The final push. 5 excruciating minutes later, I exited. $1,020 in the account. I did it. I started recognizing patterns. When whales exit, when retail FOMOs, when gas fees spike, it became a rhythm. I built a strategy. Scalp quick breakouts, take profit early, and never risk more than 20% of the portfolio in a single trade. Every move had to count. Whales were starting to buy again. News broke. Institutional interest ramping back up. I threw half my account into ETH at $3,610. Pure momentum play. Now look, I got lucky on the first play. Coin was riding volume off a tweet. 15 minutes in, I made $5 profit. Because on day 3, the whales came out to play. Bitcoin dropped from $120,000 to $118,000 in a flash. That triggered a cascade across the board. Ethereum tumbled under $3,600 after some absolute beast of a wallet yanked $1.7 billion out of AV. DeFi got shook, altcoins collapsed. My plays tanked. I watched my portfolio fall from $30 to $12. Gut punch, straight up. But wait, here's where it flipped again. I saw ETH forming a tight coil RSI was building. From there, I kept scalping. By day 5, I was at $220. Then came a huge break. A low-cap alt decoupled from BTC's move. Final day, 7 days. $10 to $1,020. I was shocked. Not because I didn't think it was possible, but because I had felt the danger the whole time. One wrong move, one trade held too long, one misread, and it would have been over. This was never about just numbers. It was about discipline, psychology, timing, knowing when to hold and when to walk away. So here's the takeaway. Can you flip $10 into $1,000 in a week? Technically, yeah. But 99% of people will blow up their accounts trying. It's not luck. It's risk management, timing, speed, and emotional control. If you want the full breakdown. The exact coins, entries, exits, timestamps, and price action, drop a comment below that says, "Show me the trades." If you felt even a fraction of that adrenaline rush watching this unfold, smash that like button so the algorithm doesn't rug us. And hey, if you're into crypto experiments like this, macro analysis, or just love the wild side of the market, hit that subscribe. We've got even crazier content on the way. See you in the next one. And remember, Never risk more than you're willing to lose.